Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. I'm just going to do a little bit of a different video. This is my unboxing of the online order at Rite Aid that I did 1 week ago. Well, it's 8 days ago now, but when I received this yesterday, it was 1 week from ordering. So that's good to know. If you ever plan on ordering at Rite Aid, it does take about a week for it to get to you. If you're interested in seeing the breakdown of everything that I got and how I worked it into a transaction, I'll link that down below just so you can check it out if you're interested in knowing how I got to get all of this stuff for a little less than $10. It was just an amazing deal. I mean, you can't get this amount of stuff anywhere else for less than $10. Trust me, I've tried. So I hope everybody's having a great weekend. I'm just going to unbox this and try to get out and enjoy it. It is a beautiful day, and we're just enjoying all of this sun right now. And in California, we have had so much rain and stuff that we're just not used to. But I'm really grateful for because we have been in such a horrible drought the last few years. We really needed it, but the amount of snow and rain that we have got has been record breaking. If you're in California, you know. If you're not, now you know. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you some updates on some things that I just wanted to share with you guys as far as the visa rebates for the OGX things that I had submitted. I want to let you know the status of those, and then what was it? The bonus cash challenges are bonus cash coming back to us, the status of that, and then what I have coming up so that you guys are just kind of aware of what's going on. So yeah, guys, let's go on ahead and check out everything we got here. Lots of nice paper. Just set that to the side. Okay, so I did get lots of gloves that I needed to restock on. So I have some vinyl, some latex, and more vinyl. This one kind of got messed up, but all in all, 120 gloves included in this purchase. So I'll go ahead and take those out. Then we have some cotton swabs. I would be lying to you if I tried to tell you all the breakdowns of the deals that these were on. I cannot remember. I have to reference my own videos to remember that. 2 of these freezer bags, the gallon size, so 28 count times 2. So what is that? 56. And right in here is the vanilla that I really needed, which is awesome. In the store, I want to say these are about $7 each. I'm not too sure, but that's what I recall off the top of my head. 100% pure vanilla. Then here we have a skincare tool for blackheads and whiteheads. It's kind of coming out of the package some. So that's great. And in here, they bottle up all of the stuff that could spill in this really big bag that I could probably find another use for. But so I have the foaming bath. This is the lavender scented, and the other foaming bath. It's eucalyptus and spearmint. Sorry, it's kind of hard to hold it up and show you. And here is the nail polish remover acetone. So all of this goodness for less than $10 is awesome, and this is why couponing at Rite Aid is just amazing, or any drugstore, once you figure out the whole reward system. So if you're new, I encourage you to continue watching, continue trying new deals. Sometimes they'll work out great, sometimes they won't. But more than anything, you'll learn from any mistake that you make and continue on give yourself at least a good 6 to 8 months to really understand the reward system of the chosen pharmacy that you're at, or even if you're doing Walmart, you can probably learn that a little faster, because they don't have a reward system. It's more like using the rebate apps and things like that. So yeah, I encourage you to continue learning, and you can get a lot of great things like this that you actually use, for very cheap. So the updates I have for you are on the OGX Visa rewards. So I submitted 2 different ones, and one of them I already have the Visa reward in my mail, coming in my mailbox today. I get the little emails telling me what I'm getting in my mail today, and it showed on there, and I'm like, oh, that's sooner than I had thought it would be, because I submitted it on February 13th, and it said it would take 4 to 6 weeks to get here. So it ends up being a little less than 3 weeks, or 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. So that's great to know that it comes a lot sooner than they had even said. And I have one more coming after that, so I should be getting that in another 5 days or so, if it's on the same timeline as this one. And then for the bonus cash challenges, I checked a couple of my accounts. I don't have anything yet, but I did get the email saying, you're a bonus cash challenge winner, and telling me what I earned. I did notice on my last transaction that I shared with you guys, where I went live and my son jumped in. If you happen to see that one, I was talking about how I wrapped up a couple of the bonus cash challenges on February 28th, which was the last day. Those did not track onto my account. So I did call yesterday, March 3rd, and she said I need to call back March 6th, because right now it's in a blackout period. So from once it ends to the time till the 6th of the new month, it's blacked out. There's nothing they can do. They can't see it. They can't go in and adjust anything. So I have to wait. I do have my receipts, and I have all the details I need to give them, which is usually just the transaction number, the store number, what I purchased, and how much I spent. And they'll be able to go in and verify that that was a bonus cash challenge on my account, and they will end up issuing me the bonus cash. So they're usually pretty great with that. I notice if you call on a Thursday or a Friday, you're able to get through a lot better than if you call on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. So I plan to wait until the end of the week to call. I got through to somebody so quick. I think I was on the phone for like three or 4 minutes, and she answered right away. So that was awesome. I'm going to go ahead and do the monthly deal walkthrough video that I normally do. I couldn't even think of the name for a minute. So plan to see that either up by tomorrow night or Monday evening, the latest. It really depends on my store and if all their tags are up. Whenever it is a new month, then the tags do take more time to get put up. And depending on their staffing situation, which it has gotten a lot better, by the way, they have hired quite a bit more people, and they just seem to be a lot more staffed right now. But they're all kind of in training too. So I hope to get that up right away, and then I will work on the monthly deal list. A lot of you had said that that was helpful and everything looks good. So I will continue doing that. This will be month 3 of putting that out. So I'm glad I'm able to do that. And it is helpful to go back and see what monthly deals are going on, even for myself. So I'm glad to be able to share that and help you guys out too. So yeah, that's pretty much all the updates, my unboxing, and a little chit chat with you guys. And I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope your weather is calmed down and starting to look a little better. It is going into spring, so hopefully it's looking good for you. I don't think there's anything else that I can think of. That's pretty much all that I wanted to hit on this one. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and kind of continuing on this journey of saving money. I want to do a lot more of grocery outlet, because that's one of the stores that I have in my town, and that a lot of you have as well. I only have 2 grocery stores, guys, so I want to share deals from there if it's beneficial. But I'm gonna keep it going because I did get a lot of good feedback that seeing the daily deals was a good thing. So I'll keep doing that for a little while, and hopefully it's helpful. Yeah, guys, so let me know in the comments if there's anything special that you want to see, or if there's anything you want me to go into more detail about. Helps me gauge like where you're at and what you actually need to know. For the most part, I feel like I kind of break things down throughout each video as best as I can. I don't like to over explain stuff because I know a lot of you guys already know this stuff, but I do like to give a lot of detail for those that are new. So bear with me if you're like, oh, I already know all this stuff, you're going over it too much. It's for the people that are learning. So, and your guys' comments when you answer some of the questions down below are super helpful. So keep on doing that. I love it. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I will chat with you on the next one. Have a good weekend. Bye.